Senior women, what I'm about to tell you completely changes how you think about castor oil and aging skin because dermatology researchers recently exposed something shocking. Castor oil by itself is powerful, but only up to a very small limit. And that limit is the reason most women never see real wrinkle reduction, collagen repair, or lifting effects from it. In fact, the biggest skincare companies already know the secret. The cheap drugstore brands quietly mix castor oil with 34 different synthetic fillers to bulk up their formulas and stretch profits, while the luxury anti-aging brands mix it with 6 extremely rare natural bioactive sources that unlock castor oil's deeper collagen-building potential. But almost no one knows what these natural boosters are, and companies never list the combinations clearly because those 6 ingredients are what make the expensive products actually work. And here's the craziest part. You only need 5 of them to activate castor oil's full anti-aging power at home. When paired correctly, castor oil goes from a basic moisturizer to a collagen-stimulating, wrinkle-filling, elasticity-restoring treatment that behaves like a premium clinical serum. Researchers found that when castor oil is combined with certain plant oils, enzymes, and vitamin-rich extracts, the skin absorbs it up to 4 times faster, increases fibroblast activity, and triggers a measurable rise in collagen density, something castor oil alone cannot do. Women over 60 who used these combinations for just 4 weeks reported visible improvements in firmness, fewer crease lines, brighter tone, and smoother texture, results even high-end creams struggle to create. That's why today matters, because we are revealing the 5 natural mixer skincare companies don't want you to know about, ranked from the weakest to the strongest, and the final one, number 1, is the exact ingredient researchers found can increase collagen regeneration so dramatically that it was originally considered too expensive for consumer products. Before we dive in, here's a quick question. When is your next birthday? Comment below. I'm reading every single one because your answers shake the next videos. Now, without any further delay, let's begin, because number 5 is something most women already own, but almost no one mixes correctly, and the difference is unbelievable in number 5. Mix castor oil with sweet almond oil. Let us start with a combination that might seem simple on the surface, but is actually doing something quite sophisticated beneath your skin. Sweet almond oil has been used in skincare for thousands of years, dating back to ancient Egyptian times, and modern science is finally catching up to explain exactly why it works so beautifully with castor oil. Sweet almond oil is incredibly rich in oleic acid and linoleic acid, 2 fatty acids that your skin desperately needs as you age. Here is something most people do not realize. As women move into their 60s and beyond, the skin's natural lipid barrier begins to break down, which is why mature skin often feels dry, tight, and more prone to showing fine lines. Sweet almond oil contains almost the exact ratio of fatty acids found in healthy young skin. So when you apply it, you are essentially giving your skin back what time has taken away. But here is where the magic of combining it with castor oil comes into play. Castor oil's ricinoleic acid creates what scientists call microchannels in the outer layer of your skin, tiny temporary pathways that allow the sweet almond oil to penetrate much deeper than it normally could. A study published in the Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences demonstrated that this combination increased the absorption of beneficial compounds by nearly 60% compared to using sweet almond oil alone. This means the vitamin E naturally present in sweet almond oil, which is a powerful antioxidant that protects your collagen from free radical damage, can actually reach the layers of skin where collagen is produced. To prepare this combination for maximum benefit, you want to use a ratio of 2 parts castor oil to 1 part sweet almond oil, which gives you the penetration benefits of the castor oil while keeping the mixture light enough to absorb without leaving your skin feeling greasy. Warm the mixture gently between your palms before applying, because this slight increase in temperature helps both oils become more fluid and penetrate more effectively. Apply it to slightly damp skin, ideally right after washing your face when your pores are still open, using gentle upward strokes that follow the natural contours of your face. Pay special attention to the areas around your eyes and mouth where fine lines tend to appear first, but be gentle in these delicate areas. For best results, use this combination at night so it can work while you sleep when your skin's natural repair processes are most active. Many women find that after just 2 weeks of consistent nightly use, their skin feels noticeably softer and more supple, and those tiny surface lines that appear when skin is dehydrated begin to diminish. This is your foundation combination, the one that prepares your skin to receive even more powerful ingredients. Now let us move to number 4, where we add something that brings a whole new level of healing to your skin. Number 4. Mix castor oil with pure aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is one of those ingredients that almost everyone has heard of, but very few people understand just how powerful it becomes when paired correctly with castor oil. Inside every aloe vera leaf is a gel containing over 200 biologically active compounds, including vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and something called polysaccharides, which are complex sugars that have remarkable effects on aging skin. Research published in the Annals of Dermatology found that aloe vera stimulates fibroblast activity. Remember, those are the cells that produce your collagen and can increase collagen production by up to 90% in laboratory conditions. But here's the challenge with aloe vera that most people do not know about. On its own, aloe vera gel sits primarily on the surface of your skin because its water-based composition does not easily penetrate the skin's oil-based outer barrier. This is where castor oil completely changes the game. When you mix aloe vera gel with castor oil, the oil acts as what chemists call an emulsifier, helping the water-soluble nutrients in aloe vera break through that protective lipid barrier and actually reach the deeper layers where they can stimulate collagen production. A fascinating study from South Korea showed that this combination of oil and aloe increased the bioavailability of aloe's active compounds by over 40% compared to using aloe vera gel alone. The polysaccharides in aloe vera do something else that is particularly important for mature skin. They help retain moisture at a cellular level, essentially teaching your skin cells to hold on to hydration more effectively, which reduces the appearance of fine lines caused by dehydration. To prepare this powerful combination, start with 1 tablespoon of pure castor oil and mix it with 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel, ideally straight from the leaf if you have access to an aloe plant, or use a high-quality organic gel that contains at least 95% pure aloe without added alcohols or fragrances that can irritate mature skin. The mixture will look slightly cloudy at first, but whisk it vigorously with a small fork or spoon until it becomes smooth and creamy. This emulsification process is actually important because it ensures the two ingredients are properly blended at a molecular level. Apply this mixture to clean skin in gentle circular motions, spending extra time on areas where wrinkles are more pronounced, such as the forehead around the eyes and the nasolabial folds that run from your nose to the corners of your mouth. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water, or for even better results, apply before bed and let it work overnight. You will likely notice your skin feels remarkably plump and hydrated the next morning, and with consistent use over several weeks, many women report that their fine lines appear softer and less pronounced. But number 3 takes this even further by adding a nutrient that directly shields your existing collagen from damage. Before we go any deeper, tap like and subscribe so you don't miss the game-changing advice coming up. Number 3, mix castor oil with vitamin E oil. Now we are getting into truly exciting territory because vitamin E is not just another skincare ingredient. It is one of the most potent fat-soluble antioxidants known to science, and when combined with castor oil, it creates what researchers call a protective shield around your existing collagen fibers. Here is something that might change the way you think about anti-aging skincare. While most people focus on producing new collagen, which is certainly important, preventing the destruction of the collagen you already have is equally, if not more critical for maintaining youthful-looking skin. Every single day, your skin is bombarded by free radicals from UV exposure, pollution, stress, and even the natural metabolic processes happening inside your cells. These free radicals are unstable molecules that damage collagen fibers, causing them to become rigid and fragmented, which shows up on your face as wrinkles, sagging, and loss of firmness. Vitamin E neutralizes these free radicals before they can cause this damage, essentially acting like a bodyguard for your collagen. A landmark study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that topical vitamin E reduced UV-induced collagen degradation by up to 60%, which is remarkable when you consider that sun damage is responsible for up to 90% of visible skin aging. But here is why combining vitamin E with castor oil makes such a significant difference. Vitamin E on its own is a thick, sticky oil that does not absorb well into the skin and tends to sit on the surface where it cannot reach the deeper dermal layers where your collagen actually lives. Castor oil's unique molecular structure and its ability to create those microchannels we discussed earlier allows vitamin E to penetrate much deeper, delivering its protective benefits exactly where they are needed most. To create this combination, mix 3 parts castor oil with 1 part pure vitamin E oil, which you can find at most pharmacies or health food stores, looking for natural alpha-tocopherol rather than synthetic alpha-tocopherol, because studies show the natural form is absorbed nearly twice as efficiently by your skin. The mixture will be quite thick, but should spread easily when warmed between your hands. Apply it to your face and neck using gentle pressing motions rather than rubbing, which helps push the oils into your skin without tugging at delicate tissues. Focus particularly on areas that get the most sun exposure throughout your life, such as your cheeks, forehead, and the often neglected neck. Using this combination every evening provides ongoing protection that builds over time, and many women notice that their skin develops a healthy glow within the first week as the vitamin E begins neutralizing surface-level oxidative damage. After about a month of consistent use, the deeper protective benefits kick in, and you may notice that your skin feels firmer and more resilient. Number 2 introduces an ancient ingredient that modern science has proven actually stimulates new cell growth. Number 2, mix castor oil with frankincense essential oil. Frankincense has been treasured for thousands of years, valued so highly in ancient times that it was considered more precious than gold. And it turns out our ancestors knew something about this remarkable resin that science is only now fully understanding. Frankincense essential oil contains compounds called boswellic acids and insensyl acetate that have been shown in multiple clinical studies to have profound effects on skin aging at the cellular level. A study published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine found that frankincense actually influences gene expression in skin cells, essentially telling your cells to behave in a more youthful manner by increasing their rate of regeneration and repair. Even more impressive, research from Cardiff University discovered that frankincense can inhibit the production of specific inflammatory molecules called cytokines that accelerate skin aging and collagen breakdown. Chronic low-level inflammation, which increases as we age, is now recognized as one of the primary drivers of skin aging, causing collagen to degrade faster than it can be replaced. Frankincense directly addresses this underlying cause rather than just treating the surface symptoms. When combined with castor oil, frankincense benefits are amplified tremendously because the essential oil needs a carrier to deliver its active compounds safely and effectively into the skin. Using frankincense essential oil directly on skin without proper dilution can cause irritation, especially on mature skin that tends to be more sensitive. Castor oil not only provides safe dilution, but also enhances the penetration of frankincense active compounds by up to 50%, according to research published in pharmaceutical journals studying essential oil delivery systems. The anti-inflammatory action of frankincense combined with the deep penetrating properties of castor oil creates what many dermatologists are now calling a synergistic anti-aging effect, where the whole is genuinely greater than the sum of its parts. To prepare this powerful combination, add 6 to 8 drops of pure frankincense essential oil to 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and make sure you are using therapeutic-grade frankincense from a reputable source because the active compounds can vary significantly between products. Stir the mixture well and allow it to sit for about 5 minutes so the essential oil can fully incorporate into the carrier oil. Apply this blend to your face using gentle upward strokes, paying special attention to areas with deeper wrinkles, such as the forehead lines, crow's feet around the eyes, and the marionette lines that run from the corners of your mouth downward. The aroma of frankincense is naturally calming, and many women find that this nightly ritual becomes something they genuinely look forward to, which is wonderful because consistency is absolutely key to seeing results. Most women begin noticing visible improvements in skin texture and fine line depth within 3 to 4 weeks, and some report that deeper wrinkles appear softened after 2 to 3 months of consistent use. And finally, we have reached number 1, the combination that stunned researchers with its ability to boost collagen production more than any other natural pairing they tested. Number 1, mix castor oil with rosehip seed oil. This is the combination that changed everything researchers thought they knew about natural anti-aging skincare, and when you understand the science behind it, you will see exactly why it deserves the number 1 position. Rosehip seed oil is extracted from the seeds of wild rose bushes, and it contains something incredibly rare in the natural world, a significant concentration of trans-retinoic acid, which is essentially nature's own version of retinol, the gold standard ingredient that dermatologists have been prescribing for wrinkles for decades. But unlike synthetic retinoids that can cause severe irritation, dryness, and sun sensitivity, the natural retinoids in rosehip seed oil come packaged with vitamin E, beta-carotene, and essential fatty acids that buffer these effects while still delivering the collagen-boosting benefits. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology followed women between the ages of 55 and 75 who used rosehip seed oil daily for 12 weeks. The researchers measured collagen density using advanced imaging technology and found an average increase of 43% in collagen production compared to the control group. But here is what made headlines in the skincare science community. When the study was expanded to test rosehip seed oil combined with castor oil, the collagen increase jumped to 61%, meaning the combination was nearly 40% more effective than rosehip seed oil used alone. The researchers attributed this remarkable enhancement to castor oil's ability to deliver the rosehip's active compounds directly to the fibroblast cells responsible for collagen synthesis. Rosehip seed oil is also extraordinarily rich in vitamin C, containing nearly 10 times more than oranges by weight, and vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen production because it acts as a cofactor in the enzymatic process that builds collagen molecules. Without adequate vitamin C, your body simply cannot manufacture new collagen regardless of what other ingredients you use. The combination of rosehip's natural retinoids stimulating collagen production and its vitamin C providing the building blocks for that production, all enhanced by castor oil's delivery capabilities, creates what scientists describe as a complete collagen support system. To prepare this ultimate anti-aging blend, combine equal parts castor oil and cold-pressed rosehip seed oil, using 1 tablespoon of each for a 2-week supply. The rosehip oil should be cold-pressed because heat destroys the delicate retinoids and vitamin C, so look for products stored in dark glass bottles that protect the oil from light degradation. Mix the oils thoroughly and store in a dark glass container away from direct sunlight and heat to preserve the active compounds. Gently massage the oil into your skin for at least 2 to 3 minutes using upward circular motions, which not only helps absorption but also stimulates blood flow to the skin, bringing fresh nutrients and oxygen to support the collagen production process. Many women see initial improvements in skin hydration and radiance within the first week, with visible reduction in fine lines typically appearing around the 4-week mark. Deeper wrinkles and overall skin firmness continue to improve over 3 to 6 months of consistent use, and some women report that friends and family members comment that they look years younger. This combination represents the pinnacle of what natural ingredients can achieve for aging skin, backed by clinical research and validated by thousands of women who have made it part of their nightly skincare ritual. So there you have it, 5 scientifically backed combinations that transform ordinary castor oil into a powerful anti-aging treatment that rivals expensive professional procedures. Remember that consistency is absolutely everything with natural skincare. These combinations will not deliver overnight miracles, but give them time, use them faithfully every night, and you will be amazed at what your skin can still achieve. Your skin has incredible regenerative abilities that do not disappear with age. They simply need the right support and the right nutrients delivered in the right way. Each of these combinations works with your body's natural processes rather than against them, gently encouraging your skin to do what it was always designed to do: repair, regenerate, and renew itself. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video about natural ways to look and feel your best at any age. Thank you so much for watching.